Chocolate Bavarian. There are so many memories with that cake, isn't it? Just divine.
Yes.
And Natalie Paul's here to show us her version, which is going to be, dare I say, way better.
A little bit more special, making it yourself.
Absolutely. And I think that a lot of people at home want to know how you make this from scratch.
Yeah, and it's not that hard. Well, there's a couple of tricky components, but it's not that hard.
Okay,
I'm
good.
going to make it so easy for you.
Yep.
So we're going to make a custard first, instant coffee, which is always better than using espresso or anything like that, because you don't have any of the liquid component. You can get maximum coffee flavour with minimum liquid.
Oh, that's a great little tip there.
Corn flour.
Yes.
Gelatin powder, just a little bit to make it set really nicely. Some cocoa powder.
Okay, get some really nice Dutch
cocoa powder.
Yep.
Caster sugar. And we're going to add to that our egg yolks.
Okay, so just 2 egg yolks.
2 egg yolks, yep. And a little bit of milk just to start the mix off to make a paste.
Okay, so this is for the filling.
This is for the filling.
Custardy style filling in the middle.
And we're going to start this first because we want that to cool down a little bit before we move on to the base.
Right.
So we're just going to give that a nice little...
So you like to mix this in the bowl first before you add it to the heat?
That's right,
yes.
Yep. And then it goes into the pot. And while I cook that, could you chop up the chocolate for me?
I would love to.
Please.
How much chocolate do you need?
I need 40 grams, please. And you want to use a nice dark one like you've got there, the 60 to 70%.
Okay. And I'm just going to just roughly chop this, I guess, because that hot liquid's going to go straight over it.
Completely.
Okay, chop that up.
My custard here has just boiled a little bit, or as I like to say, burped.
That's a good one.
And it's nice and thick, and it coats the back of the spatula like that.
Very nice.
Beautiful. And we're just going to tip that in. Ooh. Beautiful. So we're going to let this cool, and while we get the base ready.
Okay. What's in the base?
You've got some chocolate biscuits over there that are store-bought ones, but store-bought biscuits usually need a little bit of extra butter, so that's what you're going to put in as well. Nice
extra butter.
Extra butter.
Of course.
And the biscuits and the cocoa powder. So we're going to actually bring up the cocoa-ness of the biscuits as well by adding the cocoa powder and biscuits in.
Okay, so just any bicky you like.
Any chocolate biscuit. You can even use like an oat biscuit or something like that if you want to make it healthy. And a little pinch of salt as well. A little pinch of your salt flakes,
Yes, salt loves chocolate.
Oh, they love each other so much.
Oh, I'll give that a good blend. And what consistency are we after?
So like a coarse sand.
Okay.
Yeah, beautiful. Amazing. So yeah, nice coarse wet sand, beautiful.
Looks good.
And we're going to press that into our tin.
All right, what tin do you like to use for this?
I like a little fluted tin because it's like nostalgic and cutesy.
It is, isn't
And I just give it a good spray with a cooking oil spray.
And this has a detachable base.
It has a detachable base,
Makes
so it
life
can
easier.
lift out. Yep.
So we'll just pour that in.
It looks like a lot at the moment, but once you press it down, it'll be absolutely perfect.
Okay.
Now you're just going to push it out.
Just with my hands?
Just with your hands?
Yep.
Just compress it a little bit so it's like a nice firm base. I'm going to finish off the filling.
Right.
And this is our cooled down custard. And to that, I'm going to add some meringue. I've got some cream of tartar in there and some sugar as well, but not very much.
Okay.
And that's going to go in. So
A
that,
whole lot.
yep. So that gives it lots and lots of air. And then once that's almost incorporated, I'm going to fold in a little bit of my cream, but not all of it. We'll save the rest for the top.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
And have you added anything to that cream, or it's
Just a little bit of vanilla.
A vanilla.
Just
okay.
because I think it's just so nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So a bit of that.
Just that in there.
Nice. And then that's our filling done.
That's the filling done.
Secret.
Yeah. Look at how fluffy that is. We're going to smooth it out.
Yep.
And then it goes in the fridge for a good chill. So we've got all our components ready to go. And if you could chop a little bit more chocolate for the top,
Can do.
we're going to use the rest of our cream that we whipped earlier.
Okay.
And we're going to pile that on top of our beautifully set and bouncy, like a chocolate trampoline, chocolate Bavarian.
So good.
You can get fancy with the chocolate. You can do chocolate curls if you can do that kind of thing.
Yep.
I have to confess that I can't.
Really?
Yeah, I'm terrible at it.
I don't
Beautiful.
believe you.
It's true. And scatter that on top, the chocolate, just get nice and...
Middle or everywhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. See, there wasn't this much chocolate on the supermarket ones.
No,
This is
I
why
know.
it's better making your own, because
Exactly. You can go
Beautiful.
all out. And this is a really good tip how you've done it. You've put everything into the tin first before you
That's
expose
right.
it.
Yep. And then now we're just going to pop it out.
Okay. There she is in all her glory.
Beautiful. My
Beautiful
bangle.
bracelet.
And straight onto the plate.
Yeah.
And there she is.
There you go.
80s dinner party done. Let's have a slice.
Yes, please. There's a knife for you. What else would you bring to a 80s dinner party?
Oh, yeah, probably some cabana or cabanossi.
Yes.
Because I have
I'll
to...
bring the square cheese.
Yes. And I don't know, maybe do some ham steaks on the barbecue with some pineapple rings.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. This is going to be one hell of a party.
And that will just slide off so beautifully.
That's divine.
Yeah.
There we go. One for you, one for me.
Yes.
Let's have a taste.
Mmm. So creamy, so chocolatey.
Memories.
So
Memories
perfect.
of that wonderful supermarket variety,
Yeah.
but way, way,
Couple of levels
way,
up. Yeah.
way better. So good. Thank you.
Thank you.